So we're over here at the KUKA booth. KUKA is one of the leaders in robotic arms. Here we have a 6-axis application. And I just want to point out a few things that are in this demonstration because I think they're like good, small, simple things that you can do inside of an automation application to get the most out of a robot, and also some like engineering techniques to be able to control a process. So one thing you can see right here, this robot is picking up this little cube and it has a pointer on it. You'll also notice that it'll go pick up other cubes, and right now it's doing squaring. I want to point that out since we're here. So that was a squaring feature. So basically what the robot did is it dropped it down into that mechanical location so it could drop down in what we call a 0 position. That 0 position then puts the cube in a known location. So if you're picking up a product from a pallet, sheets of like sheet metal, you can drop it in there, it'll go to a 0 position, and then you know where that corner's at. So it gives you the ability to do like bending operations and just whatever post-process that you have. Notice it's doing a tool changer by just using a simple gripper, right? So this is really a, I'll say generic gripper. Just it could be like a solenoid-driven gripper, but notice how the robot's able to pick up multiple different types of tools to be able to perform different operations. Now they make automatic tool changers on the market, but a lot of times those are a little bit more than what you need. They cost quite a bit more, and it's not necessarily necessary. A lot of times something simple like this can be the only solution that you really need to be able to switch and grab different toolings and be able to perform the operation. As you can see here, there's also vision grid. So this vision grid is used for calibrating. There's a vision system up here. As of right now, it doesn't look like it's doing any vision operations, but this is used to calibrate the camera as well as for the robot to locate the product so that it can pick it up. You can throw it in there randomly, and then the robot will pick it up at the very precise location that the vision system sees. And you see they have a ramp on the back side. That ramp right there is probably so the robot can just drop it, let the part roll out randomly, so that way they can demonstrate that pick location. So you generally have vision location and you have vision inspection. So vision location just means that you're going to locate a product, whereas vision inspection, you're actually going to inspect that product for any potential defects, whether it's like colors, burrs, could be an entire list of things, and is also a very good solution for automating projects.